Although it's the middle of October, we're experiencing some unseasonable warmth here in Valparaiso, and it's definitely going to be sticking around for at least one more day. Although we're going to be seeing some rain this evening, where it's going to be warm for your Wednesday, and we're not going to expect another chance of rain until perhaps the weekend. So taking a look here at some of these temperatures, Tuesday evening looking pretty nice here at around 60 degrees in Valparaiso and the mid-60s for much of the rest of the area here. Wednesday morning, we're only going to get down to around 55 degrees, and then we're going to rebound to about the mid-70s, which is quite nice for October 20th and 21st here. Look out here to the middle of Illinois here, 78 degrees in Ottawa, and we're going to get a piece of those temperatures for Wednesday afternoon into Wednesday evening. Again, quite mild for your Thursday morning as you wake up for the first day of fall break here. Looking at the big picture here as far as temperatures are concerned, a big dome of warm temperatures are quite evident across the middle of the country here. 73 for Valparaiso for your Wednesday afternoon, and a little bit warmer as you move off to the west. It isn't until Thursday afternoon that we finally moderate here, around 60 degrees for Valparaiso. And Friday morning, only 44 for us here. So we're going to be getting back to around seasonable temperatures as we approach the weekend here. Looking at your future radar, we can see some precipitation that's going to be moving toward the Chicagoland area around that 7 p.m. start time for the third game of the NLCS over at Wrigley Field. And moving into the overnight into early morning hours, we're going to get a piece of some of that rain as well. So we're going to be having some spotty chances for showers as you wake up for your early morning Wednesday classes. After that, though, looks like a nice day is going to set up for much of the northwestern Indiana area with sunny conditions and, of course, warm and mild temperatures expected. Looking at the radar across much of the country here, again, those chances of rain are going to move through the area, and then much of the rest of the week is going to have clouds in store for us, maybe a little bit of chance of a rain on Thursday, but the main chance for precipitation is going to come with this system here that's going to move toward our area for Friday into Friday evening is what we're thinking about the timing of that event. Another story here to talk about for your Wednesday is the breezy conditions. Wednesday, 3 p.m., we're going to be seeing some blustery conditions across much of the area here. Valparaiso projected to be around 20 miles per hour, and you can't rule out some higher gusts of 25 to maybe even 30 miles an hour. But Thursday afternoon, it's going to be much calmer as far as the winds are concerned. So tonight, 54 degrees, nice and mild for this time of year, but some scattered showers to expect evening into the overnight hours. Winds are going to be southwest, bringing those warmer temperatures into the area at around 10 to 15 miles an hour, but you can't rule out some higher gusts. Speaking of gusts, tomorrow we're going to be seeing a lot more of those as the winds start to pick up, but even though it's going to be windy, the temperatures are going to be quite nice. 75 degrees and nice and beautiful conditions setting up after those few showers move through the area here. Looking at the rest of your week, you can see that it cools off a little bit as we move towards Friday, and with that, we're going to be looking at some of the rain move through, and after that, temperatures are going to moderate and then drop as Sunday approaches and we get some more seasonable temperatures to move back into the area, with Sunday only topping out at around 60 and temperatures getting down into the mid-40s for Sunday. So be sure to get out there and experience some of these warm temperatures, because sooner or later we're going to have to bid farewell to these 75-degree temperatures for the rest of the year. I'm Jesse Treptow here, wishing you a great rest of your Tuesday. That's good.